Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the center spray arm that goes in the center rack of this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to some models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and JennAir. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The spray arm distributes water to clean dishes on the center rack during the wash cycle. Water pressure forces the spray arm to rotate, allowing it to evenly spray dishes as it spins. Over time, the spray arm can become clogged with debris, crack, warp, or separate at the seams. In some cases, the spray arm can become loose or fall off during operation and be damaged if it contacts the heating element. If the spray arm falls off, inspect the center spray arm manifold to ensure that the mounting tabs are not broken or missing. If these tabs are damaged, a new spray arm may not stay attached and the center spray arm manifold will also need to be replaced. If the spray arm is not damaged, it can often be reinstalled onto a new center spray arm manifold. When the spray arm fails, you may notice poor cleaning performance, debris left on dishes, uneven spray patterns, or even visible damage to the spray arm. Replacing a damaged spray arm restores proper water distribution and cleaning performance. If you need to purchase a replacement spray arm for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. To access and replace the spray arm, open the dishwasher's door and slide out the center rack. You can complete this replacement with the center rack installed in the dishwasher. To remove the spray arm, hold the collar at the end of the spray arm manifold while applying downward pressure to one end of the spray arm until it releases from the center spray arm manifold. If the end of the manifold disconnects with the spray arm, the center spray arm manifold will need to be replaced. When ordering a replacement center spray arm, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. Before installing the new spray arm, inspect the center spray arm manifold. On our model, there are 6 tabs that hold the spray arm to the manifold. Be sure there are no broken tabs and that the inner spindle of the manifold rotates freely. If the spray arm manifold is damaged, it should be replaced. To install the new spray arm, simply align the 4 tabs on the inside of the mounting hole of the spray arm so that they fit in the spaces between the tabs on the center spray arm manifold. Snap the spray arm onto the spray arm manifold. If the spray arm will not snap on the manifold, try rotating it slightly so the internal tabs align on the manifold. Spin the spray arm to be sure that it turns freely. If the arm hits the rack or doesn't spin freely, inspect the center spray arm manifold to be sure that it isn't damaged and is installed properly on the rack. For more information, check out our center spray arm manifold replacement video. Slide the dish rack back into the appliance, close the door, and your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin from the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.